Once upon a time, in a village nestled between tall mountains and lush forests, there was a young girl named Elara. She was kind, with sparkling blue eyes and a heart full of dreams. Elara lived in a small cottage with her grandmother, who often told her tales of the enchanted Moonlit Garden, a magical place hidden deep in the woods where flowers bloomed under the light of the moon, and fairies danced in the starlight. One evening, Elara's grandmother fell ill, and the village healer said only the petals of the silver blossom, found in the Moonlit Garden, could cure her. Though no one had ever returned from the enchanted garden, Elara was determined. Armed with only her courage and a lantern, she set out under the shimmering night sky. As Elara entered the forest, the trees whispered softly, guiding her deeper into the woods. After hours of walking, she found herself in a beautiful meadow bathed in moonlight. There, in the center of the meadow, stood the Moonlit Garden, its gates made of silver vines and covered in delicate glowing flowers. With a deep breath, Elara stepped through the gates. Inside, the garden was more breathtaking than she could have ever imagined. Flowers of every color sparkled like stars, and gentle fairies flitted about, their wings shimmering like dew on a summer morning. In the middle of the garden grew the silver blossom, glowing with a soft light. As she reached for the flower, the queen of the fairies appeared, her gown made of stardust and her voice like the wind. "Why do you seek the silver blossom, child?" she asked. Elara bowed respectfully and explained her grandmother's illness and her quest for the flower. The queen smiled kindly and said, "Your heart is pure, and your love for your grandmother is strong. I will grant you the silver blossom, but remember, love and kindness are the greatest magic of all." With the precious flower in hand, Elara thanked the queen and hurried back to her cottage. She gave the petals to the healer, who brewed a potion that saved her grandmother's life. From that day forward, the village flourished under the moonlight, and every night, the fairies of the Moonlit Garden blessed the land with their magic. Elara never forgot her adventure and visited the garden often, always remembering the lesson of the queen, that love and kindness can work the most powerful magic of all. And they all lived happily ever after.